Hi YouTube, it's me, Robert Holloway. In this video, I'd like to talk more about, well, I've been watching so many people talk about the INFJ and their idea of a door slam. Now, I, being an INFJ myself, I wouldn't really call it a door slam. Because one, when we leave somebody because they prove to be wrong for us, and believe me, we'll know, then we don't make any sound. So you won't hear a door slamming. It's more like ghosting. But I like to call it poltergeisting. Because when an INFJ leaves you, they're going to leave something behind that will haunt you. And I mean, it will haunt you. And I mean, they're not gonna give you a Casper. They're not the friendliest ghost. It's more of a cold, loud whisper inside your own head, inside your own heart, in your own soul. And I'm guilty of doing this myself. Even as a friend, I can basically disappear. And they're gonna remember me. So I wouldn't use the phrase door slam, because with a door slam, you actually hear it. And I know, being an INFJ, I mean, I'm researching this myself. I'm usually into astrology. Because ever since I was young, I've always wanted to know all 12 zodiac signs. I wanted to know the personalities behind the celestials, or what you call the planets. I don't call them the planets because planet means wandering star. One, they're not stars. They're celestial bodies. And two, they're not wandering. They have a set course. They know where they're going. So that's why it's much better when you just call them celestials. So when people say Pluto's not a planet, I kind of agree. Neither is Earth or Jupiter or Venus. Now, our sun, that would be considered a planet, because it is kind of wandering around the galaxy, the Milky Way galaxy. So technically, yeah, it's a planet. Or if you want to continue calling it a star, so be it. You know, I'm sure the Celestials really don't give a fuck what you call them. Personally, I call them guardians or celestials. But that's just me being an astrologist. Anyways, I'm getting off topic here. An INFJ will disappear. But when they disappear, they're going to find some way to make you feel guilty that they do. And if they're a Scorpio, you're going to wish they killed you. Thank you for watching my videos. Bye.